Okay, so we are standing in an October 10th planted strip of our overwintering mix. So this has been a pre-made mix Green Cover has had on our website for many years now. It's a really diverse offering. So we've got Balansa Clover, hairy vetch, winter peas. Those are the legumes in here. We have cereal rye. There's some rapeseed. There's winter barley and black oats. So a lot of diversity. This is a really popular mix that we sell. You know, guys use it on broad acres across, pivots or larger scale agriculture, but also our smaller customers, in the backyard, in the garden, homestead and garden type customers use this mix too. So the goals of this mix would simply be general soil building, diversity, weed suppression, nitrogen fixing with the legumes, compaction breaking, all of the just kind of general goals. This is a great option for many of our customers.
Yeah, it's really good at weed suppression. I mean, I've looked through here quite a bit. There's no weeds growing out here for sure. So if you just want to, put your gardens to bed, put your fields to bed, this is going to be a really good option. Now, some of the species aren't showing up as well here as they might if it was earlier planted or planted further south. So again, it's a mix that's put together with the diversity to try to give it a larger geographic spread. If I was planting this in Nebraska in the middle of October, there's probably a few of these things that I wouldn't necessarily put in here. But if I got this in, say, mid-September, it would be a lot better for that. Particularly like the Balansa Clover needs to establish in order to overwinter well. So we don't see a lot of that out here right now. But I think that's a lot because of planting date and where we're at further north. So again, this is a multi-purpose, general purpose type mix. It's going to work across the wide range of dates and geography. And so if you think this is going to work for you, it's a great option. It's going to be cheaper than building a custom mix for small acreages. But again, if you're in a situation where this may not be quite the fit for you and you've got larger fields, we're happy to put together custom mixes for you.